Good Lord. Incoming!
Fire the hole!
Fly. For the camera.
Follow through. Ooh, did you see that big old bag?
There we go.
Done messed up and
Keep playing with me.
messed up and hit it too many times.
Bring you home.
Rip right through the
I got
tree.
it for you.
Thank you.
What'd you call it?
Crappie bullet.
Halloween?
I did. Now, you know, if you stand in front of the camera, it's going to be a blackout.
That's why I tried to stand back here. But then, hell, if you're gonna stand down here,
Watch the video. This is where I stand.
I know.
So, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look.
I want to spend Red's money.
Who got the clicker? Okay. Is that like 5?
I got it right here, boss. I got it right here, boss.
Appreciate
I'm on my job, boss.
appreciate
You
sir.
3 short, boss.
3 short. We only got, huh?
You 3 short.
You 3.
3 short of 5?
No.
We got more
You
than 2.
3 short. That means he got 8.
Oh, we got.
Okay, well, somebody need. Hey, I called his ass. Oh, that's a crappie. Oh my God. Net man. No. Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
You see us all
I-
almost kill ourselves, man?
Woo.
What you do?
Oh. Oh.
No, that was a bad stuff.
Yeah.
You want to touch her?
Oh.
What if it...
No. I'll pull the phone. Hey.
Go swimming after that one.
Woo.
You got to turn it, you know, so they
Woo.
can see the girth.
Make sure Ray out the camera.
Woo. See how big his head is. Woo. Hey, Ray.
Look, you lucky this is Disney. This is a children's.
I know, right?
Because I had a plan
Woo.
to say.
Man, you know I done stole your technique, right?
I'm proud of you.
Woo.
I didn't. Well, no, you didn't. I told you.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
My mentor used to tell me, "Don't steal what you could ask for."
Oh man.
You missed it. You missed it.
1-9. 1-9. Nope. What?
1-9, 110.
Why you ain't? Got it. Get it. Tuck him up under there.
Yeah, you missing some poundage.
Yeah, you
man.
missing something.
Oh. He on the scale, boss.
Now. Turn him around.
Let's say now.
1-9. Man. Boy, stop.
Wait a minute. How did this change?
To what? What did it say now?
Now it says 1 pound 9 ounces, right?
Yeah.
It didn't say 110.
No. I'm saying before it used to be like 1 point such and such ounces.
I think I did.
I think he fixed it, boss.
Oh, good, because I like it this way better. 1 pound 9 ounces. That is 1.5 pounds fish.
Woo.
And dang. We gonna let her go like we did.
No.
No, if it would have slipped, Chris would have been able to dive in there and get it.
It makes more of a mess than it's worth. I just didn't want to throw them away.
slang them.
He gonna make the cut there.
See, when I catch a fish, I get out my own way for the camera. I likes the camera. Chris catches a fish, I be trying to block him. But I ain't saying I'm no hater.
Hey, boss.
Hey, you know, I don't even put all mine on. I put out video.
Hey, boss.
He been winning.
No, you been getting it back.
You hit the boat.
Okay.
You get to go free today, buddy.
Look at him, y'all. He catch a 2-pounder, he throwing everything back now.
He boozy already.
Trained, you see how I turn toward the camera? There goes camera. I'm out the water already, boss, and still in the water.
You snitch. You snitch.
I got my life jacket on.
I'm sitting down with my life jacket on, boss. And still trying to fish.
I started the boat, boss.
I got mine.
Yes, you do, boss.
Yeah, I never got mine.
Was it almost a double, boy?
Almost. Somebody messed it up, though.
Yeah, that's what normally happens when it's supposed to be a double and it's a single.
What you get for not hustling out the box?
That's what it is. I hesitated, boss. I should have bowled. I should have housed it.
It was in your home run trot, huh?
I was already counting them on the clicker.
Don't forget to count one of them.
I hit it. I clicked it. We're at 50.
That's only because I make sure I get mine.
Good job, boss.
Going to get mine, you better get yours.
Ain't this where you lost your phone at the other day?
Ooh.
I'm just asking. Is it?
Oh.
I didn't lose my phone.
Well, almost lost your
My phone
phone.
was in my glove box.
Almost lost your phone. Okay.
Almost only counts in horseshoes and hand grenades.
Oh, okay. But did it fall in the water?
It did fall in the
Oh,
water.
okay, that's all I needed to know.
Did you fall in the water?
Don't worry. God dog it.
Are you hung
No,
again?
it was
Again?
It was a fish on there, boss. See? There he is. What'd I tell you? Thank you.
Hung in a fish. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. I'll be here all day.
I'm gonna shut up.
I wasn't gonna tell
When you
you.
mess up, I'll be talking to you.
I wasn't gonna tell you to shut up, boss. Not on your boat.
Because he was. Big Play Ray and AC. Got a couple of these horses that we pulled out of there.
That's almost 2 pounds right there, y'all.
Well, 1.9, just over a pound and a half.
1.10.
It's 110, sir.
Okay, 1 pound, 10 ounces. Man, I tell you what.
Sensitive about his ounces.
Give
Give
me
more
all,
bounce to the ounce.
give me all my ounces.
Yes, sir.
So we got a live well full, a cooler full. We're gonna go ahead and pull the rest of them out. And that's gonna do it.
Ooh, that is
Dryzdale out.
12,
big dog out.
13. AC.